Hi, my name is Prerna, and we are part of Minerva Education Solutions. We are the distributor of this assistive literacy support software called as WordQ. WordQ was developed in the year 2000 in Canada to help children with learning difficulties learn English more independently. And over the last 22 years, it's been used across the globe by about 4.5 million users. We've recently launched it in India. To give you a quick update, what WordQ does, it basically helps in three key ways. First is it has word prediction. So as somebody starts typing on a Word document or Google Docs or email or whatever, it starts giving you predictions on the screen, and this is based as an algorithm, so it predicts the words depending on what you're typing, and as you use it more, it becomes more and more intelligent. The second feature is it has text to speech, so whatever you type, it'll read it out back to you, so you can have it read it out word by word or even entire sentences or paragraphs. And thirdly, it has speech to text. So I can train the software to recognize my voice, and over a period of time, I can start dictating to the software. So for people with limited mobility and who have issues typing, they can use this particular feature to start typing faster. Besides this, it also has a few other key features. One is ThoughtQ topic research. So if I do not know, words in a particular topic, I can use that feature and have the software read out or find out words from the web, and use that to understand what's the meaning of those words and find out articles which are related to words. So this is used basically by children or people learning the language to improve their vocabulary. Other than this, it also has PDF access, so I can use it to edit PDFs, add notes to PDFs, make it more accessible, add sticky notes, highlight the PDFs. So all of these features are built into the software. It can be used by people with any of these conditions mentioned over here, but it can also be used by anybody who basically wants to read, write, communicate better on a computer screen.